Greetings traders. So today we are going to, of course, as usual, try and capture good trades. Now, once you come to the site, this is bots.profitmarkstrader.com. The links are below the video. The first thing you want to do is to identify a bot to use. And this time we're going to use the ProfitMarks Alpha version 2025 bot. Martingale is set at 2. And we'll try capturing even odd trades, volatility 75 1s. So you set it up like that, even odd, and then let's try and capture even. And then our target profit will be $200. Stop loss, let's keep it at 400. I think we have 460 something. And then we'll be staking 50. These are a bit on the extreme side, but let's see, because we are using a tool that at least will assist us in entry. So this is the ProfitMark Surge AI engine. Make sure to change the market to what you have on the bot side. That is volatility 75 1s. And then now we want to wait for an entry, final entry signal. At the same time, you can see the even odd percentages above there. So let's observe and see whether we can capture a good entry. Our capital is $464. Let's try and push it today. You can see that even 57%. In case it reaches 60, 63%, you can go ahead and run your bot, okay? But let's observe. Today I will show you a few tricks you can use just to get good scalping entries, okay? So you can see even at 48, 50, almost 50%. So no entry yet. There is no entry yet. You can see all at 52. So the tool has got logic behind the scenes, like I normally tell you. A lot of coding has gone behind the scenes to actualize this tool. You can use it just to analyze and get a feel and know where the market is heading to. You can see here the hot digit is true, next digit is 0. Those are even digits. So what we can do when you see hot and next digit is odd or even, like in our case it's even, so we want to wait for 3 or more odd digits. There we go, 2, 3, 9, 9 again. Then we enter with the first even, so 7, 6, there we go. We've entered with digit 6 to capture even trades, okay? This is a trick or another method you can use just to enter the market, scalping. And you can see, of course, look at the relations of the capital that I have and the stake and everything that is happening. So you can see a few losses here and there, but in trading, there always has to be losses here and there. But then again, if you have a certain strategy, like right now, we saw even was dominating. So we should be able at least to hit that take profit, okay? Let's observe. $157. We should be able to capture this 191. And there you are, $233, okay? So hot digit and the following digit were both even. So I waited for 3 or more odd, then entered with the first even, okay? You can also do that. We've entered without being provided. There you can see now, for example, even is at 60%, 63%. Let's enter because the market is now predominantly even again, okay? Those are a few tricks you can use here and there to enter the market. And you can see so far, not bad. Let's observe and see. Of course, it will retract. Let's see again, even at 53. So you can see it has come down. So at this point, you want to stop the bot prematurely. Let's at least do one run, and then we stop the bot. There we are. There we've made $180, okay? These are quick succession entries you can do just to scalp and get some profits. Now let's go to rise and fall. Let's try and capture rising trades. Come back to the AI tool. This is a ProfitMark Surge engine. And then adjust the contract type, volatility 75 1s for rise. And then we wait for the tool to provide us with the entry. You can already see there, prepare fall. Come to bot builder. Actually, the fall entry has already been issued. So it just to fall and simply run the bot. Let's see. First loss is a win. Is a loss, I mean. First win is, first take is a loss. We've recovered there. A loss. So of course, you know, rise and falling it doesn't continuously. Very rare times you find it falling continuously. That is when the momentum and the falling or rising is very strong. That's when you get straight wins. But now you can see we are getting them sporadically, but we are heading towards meeting our target. $187, 137. Okay, let's observe. 206, we've hit our take profit. Okay, you can see we made 206 from 460 something dollars. We are currently standing at $1,000 there, guys. Okay, so if you have got some good capital, use these strategies. You can at least make some profits. Okay, trading is risky. Nothing is a guarantee. There we have a fall. We have a fall. Let's wait and see. There we are. We are in the market again. Okay, so let's observe. Normally, you don't want to overtrade the way I'm overtrading. I'm only overtrading like this to show you. And you can see there the market looks very bumpy. We recovered at $400, made 300. Again, let's observe. Today I'll push it. If it blows the account, it's fine. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Come on. Come on. There we recovered again. There we go. So the Deriv logarithm there was a fake off, but let's see. Good. We're now in momentum. $100. 144, and you can see there we almost blew that account. We almost blew that account. And sometimes the fear also makes you not go into profit. Sometimes it's good to be brave. We've hit our take profit 221. That account was almost blowing. I believe you saw it, but we've recovered. Okay, so all this is through psychology, emotional, and all that. Sometimes you need to let go. And of course, trade with funds. In case it goes haywire, you're comfortable with it, but we must keep fighting. Okay, nothing comes easy. You need to risk to make some money. Rise. We've entered the market again. Let's see. We're at 1,299. Nice. A loss there. Nice. So there's the issue of risking. You've seen me risk there. I'm not saying you do the same, but then again, everything you do in life has got or carries a risk. Okay, there we made it nicely now. One loss, contracts won 5. Total number of runs is 6. That was a good entry. Yeah, we're looking at this Surge engine, not the Pulse Premium. We're looking at the AI. You can see their rise. Again, we're in the market. We are in the market. Now I have some capital to play around with. But then again, I'm not just entering blindly. I have the tool backing me up because it has already known where the market is heading. At least 70%, 60, 80%, sometimes when you've seen like that 90%, whereby we only lost one contract. Again, that was a risky one. Let's see. $99. Of course, from your end, if you're a beginner, don't do so many sessions like me. You've seen at least we've had some good areas, we've made some money. Stay out of the market, wait for another session, maybe after 4 hours or whatever it is. Do not chase wins, do not chase losses. Okay, trading comes with its own risk. There we've hit our take profit. Looks like a good day today. So you can see 202 again. These are scalping trades, but of course I'm using the Profit Max Surge AI engine, this tool to guide me, guys. Okay, now let me show you another entry method. You can come here on rise and fall. For example, we want to enter for rise. We wait for 3 or more falls. Okay, we wait for 3 or more falls and then enter with the fast rise. So we want to wait for 3 or more falls and then enter with the fast rise. Because the bot is set at rise. Yeah, we have got 3. We've entered with that rise. We're in the market, guys. So this is just reversal or psychology, whereby we are waiting for 3 or more falls, then enter with the fast rise. And you can see very good trading wins there. You see, only one loss. Let's see. There you are, 2 or 3, we've hit our take profit. That's another trick, another method you can use to analyze and enter for scalping trades, okay? Basically, if it's a rise, you wait for 3 or more falls and then enter with a fast rise, okay? You just come and observe here, wait for 3 or more falls, enter with a fast rise. If it's rising you want, you wait for 3 or more falls, enter with a fast, the opposite that is, okay guys? So cheers guys, watch my next videos, happy trading. Make sure to practice on demo before going on live. Good luck and take fear away from trading. At least always risk sometimes. Cheers.